Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to transfer money from Lloyds Bank to your Revolut account. First, open the Revolut app, go to Accounts, select GPP, and tap Add Money to Bank Transfer. Copy your sort code and account number from Revolut. Now, open the Lloyds Bank app or sign in through their website. Tap Payments and Transfers. Then choose Pay Someone New. Enter your Revolut account details, the amount, and continue. Confirm the payment and complete any security checks. The transfer is usually instant or it may take up 2 hours. And that's how easy it is to move money from Lloyds to Revolut. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.